Hey guys, this is David. Wanted to show you how the HRRR works, or the HRRR, and how you can check it yourself. So we'll start here. Just go to the browser, put HRRR in there. It'll be the first hit. It's the High Resolution Rapid Refresh weather model. It's put out by NOAA. This is free data, so go ahead and click that. Takes you to this page, and there's a bunch of different products. You can actually get the stuff in 15-minute increments, but I usually do it by the hour. So hit this one right here, the 3-kilometer HRRR, High Resolution Rapid Refresh Model, and this is the continental United States. And 3 km, by the way, refers to the resolution of the data. So you hit that. This is a pretty good place to bookmark it here. And here it is. You can pull the domain. Since we're in Tennessee, I like to go to the Southeast domain. It'll zoom in a little bit. And then this is all the products that the HRRR runs. And I like the composite reflectivity. You can use the 1 km above the ground level reflectivity or whatever you want. But we'll hit that. You can loop it or do the times. We'll go ahead and loop it. Sometimes not all the data is up, and sometimes it's late, but it's generally reliable. And as you can see, it's populating all the fields, and we'll go over and we'll stop it right when it gets to the first field. You can toggle it back and forth with the way it's highlighted. So here it is. This is the 9th of August, and this is at 1400 hours. All the time here is in military time, and it's also UTC time right here, or Zulu, same thing. So this is the time, what it is at the, the prime meridian or whatever it's called. In the summer months, on daylight savings time, you subtract 5 from this. In the winter, during standard time, you'll subtract 6. So this is the 9 a.m. running, and it's almost noon now, and it usually runs about 3 or 4 hours behind the normal time. So that's the version of the model, and as you see, as it goes forward in time, this number goes up, but it's still the 14Z, what we call it for Zulu. UTC, same thing. And then what you're looking at here is the time at which this is what the radar simulates, or what the model thinks the radar will be. It's a simulated radar. So this would be as of 9 a.m. You go forward to 10, 11, 12, and you can see the way I do it. You just subtract 5 from that. And then if you know military time, once you get to 18Z, that's 1 o'clock, because you go 18 minus 5 is 1300, and 1300 hours is 1 o'clock. And as you can see, looks like some scattered isolated storms. We're going to fire up here at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, it clears us up, and so forth. And it runs 16 hours out. So here we are at midnight, and it clears us out. This model is run every hour. So you get different runs. If you want to look at the 13Z run, which would be the one that completed at 8 o'clock, you can hit it, and it'll populate the fields there. Or you can look at very specific hours if you want to see the 7Z run there, or the 7Z output, 7 hours out. So what would that be? It'll tell us here in a second. At 20 UTC or 20Z, which would be 3 o'clock, 20 minus 5 is 15, 1500 hours is 3 o'clock. That's how it works. So if you have any other questions about it, just save this, bookmark this website. It also works on your phone. Of course, on your computer. Anyway, hit me up with those questions on Twitter @NashSevereWX. And I hope this is helpful. And y'all have a good day. See ya.